Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Lateisha, and on my channel we do everything home when it comes to styling, cleaning, cooking, the whole nine. We do everything on this channel as well as some lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it. Y'all, your girl has been out sick, and when I say sick, I don't mean anything to do with my health. It was just an unfortunate cause of events that led me to going to the hospital as well as being admitted to the hospital. I mean, if I could have talked them out of admitting me to the hospital, I would have come home and get well at home, but unfortunately they wasn't having it. But they treated me well at the hospital, so I appreciate all the nurses that took care of me. Y'all nurses, y'all go unrecognized and unappreciated, and I just want y'all to know that I appreciate y'all, every single one of you in the healthcare system. I appreciate you, especially being someone that also studied healthcare. I appreciate every single one of you. I was well taken care of, so I'm happy for that. But being in the hospital for a few days pushed us back for our deadline to get the house ready to receive our new sofa, our new couch. I'm so excited that it is finally here. It has been over a month of waiting. Time flew by fast, but it has been over a month of waiting. So I'm so very excited. My husband is excited as well. He broke down the old couch and we just moved it into a bedroom, and we're gonna have it there to use for another purpose. We're not getting rid of it, but we're doing a lot of projects today. I'm actually going to break this video up because it's so much to get done. We have the living room to get cleaned out, as well as the bedroom, a guest bedroom that we want to take all the old bedding and stuff out and have that thrown away so we can fix that up. It's a lot that's happening, and just coming out of the hospital has been a bit much, but we're getting it all done. So I'm just doing my regular cleaning. I started from the ceiling, got all the cobweb and dust that may have been up there sitting, and just sweeped everything down, and then I'm gonna work my way down to the floor like I always do. Y'all know how I do it. Y'all know how I start. That's how I always start my cleaning videos, is by cleaning off and dusting the walls. It's just a part of the program. All of these boxes that I'm placing on top of my buffet are dishware. Yes, I know I have a problem. I have a dishware addiction. It has been that way for a minute, okay? I think it's a female thing. I'm blaming it on that. But I need to go inside my buffet just to clear everything out that's old that I need to get rid of, and probably donate if they're in good condition. If not, just throw them away so that I can have space to add the new stuff inside there, because I have a lot of new dishes. Maybe one of these days I'll go ahead and share with you guys everything that I've got recently. But yeah, it's a lot of new dishes, and as you guys can see, even the newer bowl and plate that I got, that nice turquoise color one, is still sitting on the buffet because I have nowhere to put it. I need to figure out a better way for storing things, or just stop buying stuff. That could be it. I need to stop shopping. So I'm just going to be giving the room a general cleaning. So I'm going to vacuum the floor as well as mop and all that good stuff. And I also need to go around and clean off the windows, including the sliding door and the window behind my husband's desk. That's always so difficult to get to, but now that the sofa isn't right up against his desk, I think it'll be a lot easier for me to reach it. When it comes to deep cleaning my windows, I have a full system. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just go ahead and leave the window cleaning out of this video, and I'm going to share with you guys the breakdown on how I deep clean my windows. Yes, it is a process. It is not just spray with some window shine and just wipe off. No, it is a full-blown process. So I'm going to share that with you guys in a different video. So if y'all see me in the same clothes, honey, that's just because it was a continuation of today's video. So just letting y'all know in advance. As you guys can see how dirty that duster is, it is a full process. These windows have not been cleaned since before, I think, winter. Maybe I think the last time I cleaned my windows was maybe sometime in November, December, not too sure, but has been a minute. So we're definitely going to have to do a deep cleaning process. As you guys can see, there's a fly that got caught. I don't know, maybe he was trying to get in, or he was in and we closed him into the window pane and he got stuck there. Yeah, he's dead now. So I don't know, maybe lack of food, I have no idea, but yeah, there was a dead fly there. For my mop mixture, it's always the same thing. It's the vinegar with boiling hot water. I use boiling hot water, but you guys can use half cold, half hot if you have to touch your mop. I don't have to touch mine, and the hot water doesn't affect my bucket, so I just go straight in with the boiling hot water. And then I add in my floor cleaner, which is in the scent lemon. Oh my goodness, I don't know, it's something about adding lemon to your home that gives it such a fresh smell that when you add your candles and your other home sprays and whatnot, it just smells so good. It smells so good and so fresh, and I don't know, I just love the smell of lemon. And I like to go in with my bedroom after mopping, and I just spray the eucalyptus spray all over the curtains and whatnot, and just it's just so good. I'm just going to go ahead and mop the entire house one time since I've already started in the living room. I'm just going to go out through the whole house. Of course, every now and then I'm going to have to throw off this water and add fresh water. If you have a large home, don't try to use one bucket of water to clean it. It will just start to smell old after a while, after you've, tackled a few rooms, because the water itself has already, number one, cooled down, number two, got dirty, so the smell has changed and it's not going to be fresh like the other room. So just throw off that dirty water, add some fresh clean water and your cleaning solutions again, and just keep on going. It won't hurt to change the water. Y'all, after mopping, I took off my shoes because I didn't want to mucky the floor. Pardon my dry feet. Ooh, my feet are dry. Yes, your girl was tired, as well as just wasn't interested in nothing much no more. So yeah, I forgot to put my socks on. So pardon my dry feet, please. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys are going to have to stay tuned for the next part with number 1, the window cleaning process. I'm going to upload that right after this one for you guys, and then the following video will be our new sofa, and I'm going to go ahead and just decorate the entire living room and the new space, and I'm going to try to rearrange it. I'm still thinking of what I will actually do with the space, but when the sofa gets here, there's only the accessories we have to go shopping for, like the rug, and I want a plant, and we'll just see what all we get to add to this room. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you have not as yet. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen. You guys stay safe and have a beautifully blessed week.